Lakeland Tower, velocity 410 Victor Tango, flight of 10 miles to the south for warp arrival.
Velocity 4 Victor Tango, roger, report a mile south, expect 27 left to the big runway.
Yep, report a mile south, the flight of 6, runway 27 left, thanks.
Yep, flight of 6, thank you.
We got it.
All right. Are we going to start it up here?
Yeah, Ryder's going to check the oil. I got to check the oil on this thing, do a pre-flight on this.
Okay.
You done yours?
We're good. Yeah, we're...
So, he's going to be number 4? Who am I following?
Actually, hold on. So he's still going to take up, he's going to take off 3.
I'm going to take off
4, you're going to take up 5.
You see what Riley in between?
Yeah, Riley's in between, because then he's going to come up after me.
Ready to do your pre-flight. I'm with you. Okay.
Yeah.
I follow. So I'm number 5.
But he still wants to take off 3.
Yeah, you take off 3, I'll take off 5.
Sounds good.
Perfect.
You can get the pictures of others.
Anger? Yeah,
Like,
just...
I asked Scott, what's he going to be taking off?
Uh-huh.
He's gonna rotate it and keep it slow 135.
Perfect.
Same, so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Sounds
He'll
good.
definitely catch up to us.
Back check. There's drop. There's recovery. Zero it out. Cover it. Cycle the prop. Prop cycle complete.
Number 4 is ready. Number 1 is ready.
Number 3 ready.
14,000 below, do not underfund.
He's going right away, so... My door is shut and locked, everything's good.
Shut and lock, seatbelts on, good to go?
Yep, we're good.
Sweet.
Go after her. Get going. Just go.
Climbing through 2,400 feet, flight 1.
Climbing through 2,600 feet, flight 2.
24 from number 3.
I'm back at 18 inches of manifold.
Slowing.
Okay, she's going to slow down.
Pressure, so I'll keep it about here. 5's up.
And tuck in with her now.
How close?
Closer than this.
Above or below? Moving to catch number 1.
56, yeah, what you need. We'll go to 65, that should be good.
I think we're gaining on you. We'll be coming up on your left side, sir.
All right, sounds good. I'm just 18 inches, 2460, and about 113.
Sweet, we're gaining on 135.
Go in and tuck right in with him, Jake.
I can't read.
Okay, back off on the power a little bit. You're going a little too fast.
Got the lights on, Scott?
Okay, slow it down there, Jake. Tuck it. Slow it down. Attaboy.
What else you want?
Attaboy. Stay right with him. That's it. You can see him okay, right?
I'm zoomed in to make sure my direction is correct, but I'm going to move out a little bit here.
Don't. Okay, back off just a hair. Beautiful.
You guys are
Get up just above him a little bit. How high are we?
2, and I'm 45 right now. Buddy.
Even slower, you're in the next 173. That's hit number 5. Back at 21 at 45. Leveling off at 4,500.
Okay.
You don't think you do anything you don't want to do now. Exactly. 2985. remember, I'm up here too.
Oh, that looks great. That looks fantastic.
I cannot wait to see that footage. It's pretty cool right here, not gonna lie.
Yellow one.
Alright, I'm gonna start pulling her back or catching
Yes,
her.
right there is it. Don't be going up and down.
Yeah.
Blink now, Ingrid.
Just get in nice and tight.
Dan, where are you at?
Okay, back off just a little bit. There you go. Okay, stay right in there. Yeah, a little bit. Let him creep up a little bit.
Yep.
Beautiful. That's a nice looking airplane, you know?
Yeah, it is. Did she say she was coming up on the right?
Yeah. Tell her to come on up if she can. Tell her to get tight like we are. If she can match us on the other side, it'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Simulated failure.
Tell her.
Oh, there she is right there. She's coming up.
67.
I don't see her.
Come back down.
137.
He's right off the back of the wing.
Yeah, like I said, if you lose us, you don't see us back when you get a little closer. I'm still heading for the corner, the restricted area there, and if you don't, then just do your own thing.
Riley, you going to join on the left side?
I think so, yeah. I'm gonna join up on the left here in a minute.
Who's that that's joining up?
Yeah. I believe I have 4 and 5 in view on my left side. You guys coming up?
Yep, 4's coming up.
Sweet.
When we get in closer, we'll probably just string out a little bit behind me.
Sounds good. Yes, sir.
Number 6 is going to pull back to get back to line.
Watch him, Jake. Yeah. Get in and close to him again, and we'll get some more.
I couldn't understand what you said.
Number 6 will start pulling back to get in line.
Sounds good.
Fuck, that looks good, you know. That paint job, that airplane looks really good.
The Thunderbird formation, too.
Yeah, buddy.
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty great.
Not good for me. I can't see anybody except I can see Kent and Ingrid down there, but nobody else.
So look past Kent, you should see me. Yeah, we've got the 2 on the left side. This looks great. 3-5.
Look at this. Look back here.
Cessna turned on when.
He's already got his gear down.
She'll drop hers in
All the way
a
around to
minute.
the orange dot and clear to land on the
There
green.
it goes, right there.
Yeah, see,
Aircraft on the
Go ahead and
runway,
drop
all the way
ours.
He's coming down. 110.
Cessna, turn base. Cessna, turn your base.
It just looks so cool. You got 6 of them, you know. The twin leading
Great
the
job,
back.
biplane. Left turn
the
at the end.
turbo.
On 126075.
And the XLRG. Normally aspirated. We go top tier, down. That's the trail of this.
Tail dragger that just put it down on the green dot. Awesome job also. Make the left at the end. 126075. Have a good week, or however long you're here. Biplane all the way down to the orange dot and clear to land on the green dot. Biplane all the way down to the green dot. Cessna, turn base. Cessna, turn base. Cessna, keep it turning around. Aim for the orange dot. Put it down on the green dot. You clear to land on 27 right.
The 27 right is the taxiway, right? 27 left's the actual runway?
Yeah. You just full land where they land.
Yep.
Velocity 4 Victor Tango, you clear to land on 27 left, the big runway. You clear to land 27 left on the big runway.
That's the 27 left, big runway, velocity, fly to 6, thanks.
Yep.
Look at this. Oh, man, this is great. Man, flying is just the greatest thing.